Okay, so today we are going to make lemon rice. It's a very simple recipe. But it tastes very delicious, and it is really good to eat with different kind of curries. Like the one which I was serving with last time was with the Tuvar Lilva pigeon peas curry, and but you can serve it by itself, or you can serve it with some other curry like maybe chole or maybe dal or something like that. So let's go and make our lemon rice. So we got a little bit oil in there, and we are crackling some mustard seeds. I'm gonna put, this is like 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds. I'm gonna put all of them actually, because I want my rice to look like beautiful. I'm also gonna put these, which is my curry patta, curry leaves. I love those. We are going to add this rice. I boiled this rice in microwave. You can boil it on gas, whatever you like. And it's a long grain rice, so I love this rice. It's a beautiful rice. It had a little bit water in it, so you can make sure that it is cooked for the water to go away. Alright, I hope you enjoyed our simple recipe for making lemon rice. And if you did, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you can get notified of any other recipes we post. And if you liked us to make any other recipe, please feel free to let us know in the comments. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.